Select Garmin watches like the Forerunner 645 and the Fenix 5 Plus series feature the Garmin Pay contactless payment solution, so you can leave your cash, cards, and phone behind. Setting up and using Garmin Pay is easy. And if your watch uses a button interface, the steps are the same, no matter what model you have. Let's get started. All setup is done through the Garmin Connect mobile app, so you'll need to download the app on your smartphone if you've not done so already. Now open the app and go to Garmin Devices and choose your watch. Select Garmin Pay. To find out if Garmin Pay is available in your country and for your card type and issuing bank, just tap the link at the bottom of the screen. When you're ready, tap Create Your Wallet. Next, you'll create a 4-digit passcode to keep the digital wallet on your watch secure. Once you've created your wallet, the first thing you'll want to do is add at least one card that you'll use to make payments. First, select the card type. On the next screen, you can manually enter your card data or scan the card using your phone's camera. After you accept your issuing bank's terms and conditions, you may be required to verify your identity. This could be a one-time passcode sent via email, a text message from your issuing bank, or another method. You'll only need to do this once. Once the verification process is complete, the card will be added to your wallet. You can view the cards in your wallet by tapping Garmin Pay and then Manage Your Wallet. After tapping on an individual card, you can see options to temporarily suspend the card or delete it from your wallet. Now let's look at the wallet on your watch. To make a payment, you can quickly access the virtual wallet on your device by pressing and holding the light key to bring up the controls menu. Scroll around to the wallet icon and select. When you initiate a purchase, you'll be prompted to enter the passcode you created during the setup process if it has been more than 24 hours since you last entered it for a purchase, or if you've taken the watch off your wrist since then. Once the wallet is open, your last used card will automatically appear. To switch to a different card, just scroll down to the next one. You'll be prompted to hold your device near the card reader. It'll take just a few moments for the card reader to indicate that the payment is complete, and then your device returns to the watch face. That's all there is to it. Keep in mind, when accessing the wallet, 3 incorrect passcode attempts will result in the watch's wallet being locked. You'll have to return to the Garmin Connect mobile app to set up a new passcode. To do this, tap Garmin Pay, and then Reset Passcode. You'll first be prompted to enter the original passcode in order to set a new one. After 3 incorrect attempts to enter the original passcode, or if you do not remember the original passcode, the current virtual wallet will be deleted in order to protect your payment information. If this occurs, you will need to repeat the steps to create your wallet, assign a new passcode, and add your cards. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Forerunner 645, check out the other videos in this series.